call this the age of discovery, of triumph. But one place remains unconquered. The crew is ready, and I wonder how many will return. For it's when all is calm, when your guard drops, that's when it strikes. Unrelenting, disorientating, fierce, until all hope seems lost. But we have a job to do. Our scientists document the native species. Local experts lead us across the ice, and our shipwright continues to make improvements until we are ready to set sail. We faced mutinies, unbearable hunger as we braved these treacherous waters in search of the Northwest Passage. But now it's time for a new leader to take the helm. On your orders, Captain.